Camp Nou is changing before our eyes, and the latest transformation is nothing short of spectacular. The new pitch is almost ready, the third tier is taking shape, and the massive compression ring continues its impressive advance. But that's only part of the story, with major progress unfolding across the stadium. Stay with us, because today, we're bringing you a closer look at the latest developments. And you definitely won't want to miss what's coming next. Steady progress continues above the stadium. The third tier is gradually taking on its final shape as construction continues at a strong pace across the upper levels of the stadium. More lighting fixtures are now in place, making this section look increasingly complete with every update. At the same time, crews are focused on the finishing stages of the prefabricated seating structure, carefully sealing the structural joints to strengthen the entire section and prepare it for the next phase of construction. Step by step, the vision for the new upper tier is becoming more complete. One of the most anticipated moments has finally arrived. Spotify Camp Nou is now wearing its brand new green carpet, as FC Barcelona has almost completed the installation of the new natural grass ahead of the highly anticipated Joan Gamper Trophy on August 19th. Following the end of the season, the Blaugrana club completely renewed the stadium's playing surface, with workers continuing to work intensively to ensure the pitch is in perfect condition. In the coming days, the irrigation process will begin, allowing the new grass to fully take root and be ready for the match against Al Ahly. At the same time, construction work continues to progress across Camp Nou, with further improvements on the third tier, the exterior areas, and the VIP sections, as the club moves closer to its goal of increasing the stadium's capacity to nearly 80,000 spectators by 2027. Another important milestone has now been achieved in the transformation of Barcelona's iconic stadium, bringing the new Spotify Camp Nou one step closer to welcoming football back. Work on the construction site now shifts to another key area of the mobility core. Construction crews have now started installing the ceramic slats along the upper section of the mobility core, marking another important step in the stadium's exterior transformation. Instead of completing the remaining lower gaps first, work has moved directly to the upper level, where the latest slats are now being carefully lifted and secured into place. Unlike other sections, where the colored panel and its base were installed together, this area is being completed using a slightly different installation method. More ceramic slats are expected to be fitted over the coming days as construction continues to progress steadily across the upper mobility core. The latest progress now takes us to the second cantilever, where construction continues to move forward at a steady pace. Workers remain active beyond the mobility cores, while new steel staircases are gradually taking shape. Although this section is quieter than the VIP ring, plenty of construction materials are still spread across the area, showing that work is continuing in preparation for the next phase. Meanwhile, inside the VIP ring, crews are making steady progress on the interior walls by applying mortar. Guide strips have been installed to help create a smooth and even finish, highlighting another important stage in the stadium's ongoing transformation. The compression ring continues advancing through the north corner with another structural box now successfully installed. Additional radial beam sections are already prepared for the next sequence of lifting operations. While temporary support towers remain in position for upcoming installations, every new segment brings the compression ring closer to the tribuna section, and the overall structural framework continues expanding at a consistent pace. Work on the tribuna compression ring remains one of the most significant structural operations taking place across the entire stadium. Another compression ring box has now been installed, while new radial beams and temporary support structures are already prepared for the next lifting sequence. Construction crews continue extending the ring section by section, steadily reducing the remaining gap toward the central tribuna area. Another major milestone is now unfolding on the exterior of the South Goal Mobility Core. Construction crews have now begun installing sandwich panels on the exterior of the mobility core after completing the interior section. Several lower panels are already in place, while the first upper panel has also been successfully installed, marking another important step in the stadium's exterior progress. With work continuing at a steady pace, crews are now preparing the remaining mobility cores for the same installation, while the upper steel structure is being painted before the rest of the sandwich panels are fitted into place. The lateral mobility cores are now entering their final preparation phase before ceramic lamella installation begins. Workers are painting the structural steel framework surrounding the elevator shafts after previously completing the alignment of the lamella support guides. These finishing works indicate that the area is nearly ready for the installation of the decorative ceramic facade, which is expected to begin very soon. Maintenance and finishing work continues along the upper lateral facade, where crews are working around the completed lamella sections and the integrated LED lighting system. Elevated work platforms remain active as workers inspect structural connections and carry out final adjustments before moving on to the remaining unfinished areas. These quality control activities help ensure that every completed facade section is fully prepared before the next construction phase begins. Installation of the ceramic lamellas beneath the north goal fall ceiling continues at a steady pace. Another decorative lamella has been lifted into position, extending the completed ceiling area even further. Most of the false ceiling is now covered with only a limited number of rows still awaiting installation. Once these final sections are completed, this part of the north goal interior will present a much more finished architectural appearance. Mechanical service installation continues beneath the north goal cantilever, where crews are preparing the infrastructure for the stadium's future electrical, ventilation, and utility systems. Protective safety netting remains installed below the work area, while these essential service lines are gradually added beneath the roof structure. This work may not be highly visible, but it represents an important step toward making the stadium fully operational once construction is complete. A fresh development is now taking shape at the north goal. Several workers have started installing concrete blocks along the side of the diamond, while the rear section is already covered. Crews are also cutting individual blocks where needed to ensure they fit correctly into the required areas. With visible activity continuing around the structure, this diamond is now becoming one of the key areas to watch as work progresses across the north goal. And finally, at the diamond stores, plenty of curved metal frames have been seen being sent inside the diamond store structures to continue with the interior framing and design work. And the word curved is the detail that deserves the most attention here, because curved metal frames in an interior commercial space are not a structural necessity. They are a design choice. They are the kind of architectural element that is specified when the people responsible for the design of a space want it to feel distinctive, premium, and genuinely beautiful rather than merely functional. Curved frames introduce a softness and a fluidity into an interior that straight angular framing simply cannot achieve. They break the rigid geometry of a rectangular room and replace it with something that feels more organic, more sophisticated, and more carefully considered. In a retail and commercial destination of the kind that the diamond stores are going to be spaces where the club wants fans to feel drawn in, comfortable, and happy to spend time and money. The introduction of curved metal frames is a really deliberate and really meaningful design decision. It says that these stores are not going to feel like typical stadium merchandise shops. They are going to feel like premium destinations, architecturally considered, beautifully detailed, genuinely distinctive spaces that reflect the world-class ambition of the club that created them. And that brings us to the end of today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. This stadium has always been more than just a place for football. It is a symbol of history, passion, and unforgettable memories. And now a new chapter is being written. Thank you so much for watching and following this journey with us. We truly appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video with another update from Camp Nou.